first area is here under the clavicle, the bone in front. So with the clavicle you go down. Most of the pressure what you do, it's 90 degrees to the ground, and so you go under this bone and you press hard and you say the numbers. What is the 5? So I go 1 centimeter further and I check that. What is the number? 4. So I do the same pressure and
6.
Go 1 centimeter after
3.
centimeter.
4.
And then other side. You do only 1 point at a time, yes? You don't press 2 points
4.
at a time.
4. 3.
So you go till you feel the shoulder. So it's from there till here, on the middle knot. So those areas, and then you have the triangle between the bridge and the 2 nipples, and you go on this triangle. Usually, very probable that the points could be on the lines of the triangle. So you check them first, and you go between the ribs.
5.
And especially with the woman, if there is like hard tissue under the breast, then you move it from the to not to press on any hard tissue on the breast. Yes.
4.
So you just move the breast out of the way a bit, you know. Imagine 2 lines, the middle line and the vertical line, horizontal line. So you go 45 degrees to the middle line and 45 degrees to the ground. Yes, so it goes like kind of that direction. So you go
6.
Yeah. Number?
5. 5.
So you go under the ribs
5.
and then you go that direction, yes?
6.
You can also press always into the bones. Like
6.
when you are under the bone, you can also press
7.
Into the bone, yes?
7. 4.
Then from the other side.
7. 7. 6. 6. 4. 4.
Okay. So that's the ribs. Then we have the psoas. Could you tight your belly muscles? Okay. With some of the guys, you can really see the 6-pack, and then you know, like it's you can see the halfway here. You know, like so this is the you can go you go between the muscles. On the level of the navel. Usually, if you don't see the 6-pack so much, it's the halfway between the edge of the body and the navel. Yes, so it's like in the middle. And then you go with the psoas. You go that direction. You go down. You press it there till you start to feel the hard tissue, and then you press into the navel point. What is the
6?
6. And then you can check also a bit up.
4. 5.
So with this you go down, and then when you feel the hard tissue, then you press into direction of the navel. Yes. So it's like. So it's okay if I put it down a bit.
Yeah.
So that's the last. It's in the middle of the hips, on the inner side of the hip, and you go 90 degrees to the ground.
7, 8, 7.
Okay. So then another
5, 7, 6.
So you are in on the inner side of the
5,
hips, and then
6.
you press. So yes, you feel about which point. It was the only 1/8 what I had from him, and yes. So I would choose for one point here. You don't choose too close points. Yes. So if there would be another point here, I don't choose. I just choose one area, then another area, and then the third area. I would say maybe here or one of the. So what do you think? Which ones?
I would say here, 3, right? And then here,
Okay.
the first one that you did.
Yes. Okay. So we checked his suggestion again, and we see like how does he
6,
feel now about it?
6, 7, 7, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8.
Okay. We think about this, then
7, 7, 6,
so
6.
I check again the areas what I think there could be. You some people also put the mark with the marker to remember, and that's okay, you know.
7, 7, 7, 8, 7, 6, 7.
So
7.
body. It's like your finger can burn, you know, like you can really feel the heat, the fire, and then the point is pushing you out. This is usually after the strong pain release, and maybe also after the emotional release, and then but that means that the point is healed. You know, like the body is already telling you, okay, this is enough. It's and then this point would be not so painful anymore, so much. You know, like now we choose the most painful, but after the healing, it's like you release all the trauma. It's not painful anymore. So yes. Like, and that's the moment where you can finish with the point. That's so you can start working with the energy flow. But before that, you just keep on going. Yes, try to stay with the point till the end. Yes. Yes. If the pain is too painful, then you can always. If you have enough, you can always adjust your numbers, yes?